Hello, welcome to Natural Forages. Many parents are apprehensive when their child wets the bed, and you might have tried many methods which have failed. Today I will be telling you a very simple mantra to heal or cure bedwetting. So the causes for bedwetting in children could be as simple as taking too much of water in the evening hours, or feeling very insecure because parents are quarreling constantly in presence of child. There may be some discussion which is going on which is frightening to the child or making the child feel very insecure. Grandparents may be fighting with one another, or mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law may be quarreling in presence of the child. So basically it is not a happy environment at home. So this could be one of the reasons. And then another reason could be the child is being constantly criticized or beaten or punished because of performing poorly in the exams or in schools, or not behaving properly. So frightening would be one of the methods which the parents follow. Or the child may be watching any horror movies or cartoons which are scary. So parents, now that you know which could be the likely cause, you need to assess where you are going wrong with the child and act. Avoid all these causative factors. See that you are very loving towards the child. Give extra love to the child, give extra support to the child, and assurance that the child is being loved by everybody, and it has to feel the love amongst the family members too. Then the second thing is, avoid giving too much of liquids or fluids after 6 o'clock in the evening, and avoid horror stories or reading horror stories, reading scary stories, frightening the child, or watching cartoons which are scary. This is what you need to do first. And the most important technique is teaching the child to chant a mantra, very effective mantra, in your mother tongue. It has to be in your mother tongue. All you need to do is teach the child to say between 10 to 25 times every night before going to bed, I will not bedwet. Simple, I will not bedwet tonight. So this has to be taught in his mother tongue and chanted between 10 to 25 times. One other thing that you need to do along with the mantra is maintain a calendar. The child maintains the calendar, and you need to give the child two colors. One is the favorite color and the other is a color which the child doesn't prefer. So whenever the child has wet the bed, you ask the child to mark on the calendar the date with the non-preferred color, and whenever the child has not wet bed, then you use the child's favorite color and ask the child to mark on the calendar. And remember, the marking has to be done by the child. So gradually you will see that the child will stop wetting bed. You will see that the child's confidence level will increase, and slowly the child will be very confident and sleep happily and wake up confidently, and parents also will love to see the confidence in the child. Remember, just in case the child wets bed, do not scold, do not beat. Assure the child that it will be alright, it's alright, everything is fine, the child is okay. You need to give the child a lot of love for the child to recover from bedwetting. Remember, try this. Like, share and subscribe for others to benefit from this mantra. Try it to believe it. Thank you.